That's what's going on. It's Attorney Edward Littlejohn here for Ask Ed Live. That's right, we're going to go over our weekly estate planning and probate tip of the week. The question that comes in today is we're going to talk about co-power of attorneys and what can and can't be done as a co-power of attorney. So first off, a power of attorney is somebody that you designate to make either healthcare or financial decisions for you in the event that you're unable to make those decisions for yourself. So, for example, if I designate Attorney Minosky as my financial power of attorney, then he could go to the bank, he could write checks, he could do all the financial things that I could do on my behalf. If I designated him as my healthcare power of attorney, then he could make healthcare decisions for me. And so one question that comes up is if we have two power of attorneys or co-power of attorneys, does one have superior right than the other? Typically, we recommend against co-power of attorneys because we don't want two people fighting over who gets to act or contradicting each other in terms of their actions. So what we actually recommend is that you get a power of attorney and then an alternate power of attorney. And so if the one power of attorney acts, great. When that power of attorney can no longer perform their duties, then we would have the alternate power of attorney act. And so having two power of attorneys, in my opinion, isn't the best when they have co-authority to act at the same time. And so getting back to the question, if we have two powers of attorney, can one sell a property over the other? And the answer is no. If you have two powers of attorney, then both of them would have to agree in order to sell property, in order to transfer a property. In the event that they both couldn't agree, then the probate court may designate a time to sell the property. But keep in mind, when we have co-power of attorneys, we're actually not dealing with after death, we're dealing with during life. So it gets a little tricky. But the probate court may be involved anyway to resolve the issue. If you're thinking about designating someone as a co-power of attorney, give us a call, 740-346-2899. The better thing to do is to designate two separate people as power of attorney. One person as the initial financial power of attorney and another person as the alternate financial power of attorney. Same for healthcare power of attorney. You want an initial agent and an alternate agent. If you guys have any questions, don't forget to give us a call. And remember, where there's a will, there's a way. And where there's no will, then there's probate.